Assalamualaikum, let me introduce myself. My name is Niken Revalina, Management Class 23 ANPM 2341194. Here I will present material regarding clearing and People's Credit Bank. Definition of clearing. Clearing is a process of settling debts and receivables between one bank and another bank in a certain area. Clearing is organized and carried out at the clearing institution located at the local Bank Indonesia or appointed by Bank Indonesia. The objectives of clearing carried out by Bank Indonesia include advancing and streamlining demand deposit payment traffic. Debt and receivable settlement calculations can be done more easily, safely, and efficiently. One of the bank services to customers clearing worket. Clearing worket is a tool used in clearing transactions, namely check, transfer form, money transfer order, proof of transfer, debit note (DN), credit note (CN), current account savings. Current accounts are savings from which withdrawals can be made at any time using checks, giro bills, other means of payment or by transfer. Banking Law Number 10 of 1998. Definition of other demand deposits. A. Third-party savings. Third-party savings are in the form of depositing a sum of money in the bank in the form of a current account. His deposit is made based on an agreement between the bank and the customer, where the customer deposits the funds in the bank, which are then managed by the bank, and in the first deposit to open a checking account, each bank sets a different amount. B. Withdrawal of funds can be done at any time. Withdrawing funds from a checking account can be done at any time, provided the available funds are sufficient for the funds to be withdrawn at that time. C. How to withdraw. There are several types of facilities that can be used to withdraw funds at checking account: name check, bearer check, cross check, blank check. Understanding check. A check is a means used to withdraw or withdraw money from a checking account. Another function of a check is as a tool for making payments. The definition of a check is an unconditional order from a customer to the bank that maintains the customer's checking account to pay an amount of money to the party mentioned in it or to the holder of the check. Legal requirements and use of checks as a means of payment. Demand deposits as regulated in the Trade Code Article 178, namely, on the check letter the words check must be written. The check must contain an unconditional order to pay a certain amount of money. Name of the bank that must pay, drawn, type of check in name. This is a check issued in the name of a certain person or legal entity which is clearly written on the check. For example, if the check says an order to pay to Emil Roy Akase in the amount of Rp 3.000.000 or pay it to PT Marindo cash amounting to ADR 1.000.000, so this check is what is called a check in the name, but with a note that the words or bearer after the name ordered are crossed out. Check the performance. A bearer check is the opposite of a bearer check. The name of a particular person or legal entity is not written on a bearer check, so anyone can cash the check, or in other words, the check can be cashed by the bearer of the check. For example, on the check it says pay in cash, or cash or no words are written cross-check. Cross-check or cross-check is a check that is marked in the upper left corner with two crosses. This check is deliberately crossed so that the function of the check which was originally cashed changes to non-cash or as a transfer. Backward check. This is a check that is post-dated from the current date, for example today, Mei 1, 2002. For example, Emer Roy Akase intended to cash a check and the date on the check was written May 5, 2002. This type of check is called a postdated check or a check that has not yet matured. This usually happens because the tariff is an